In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high traffic niche website or YouTube channel targeting high CPC countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. The goal here is simple. Create content that attracts valuable traffic from audiences advertisers are willing to pay more to reach. That matters because not all traffic is equal. If you build around the right niche and the right audience, the same number of views or visitors can generate significantly better results. The first thing you want to do is focus on high intent topics. These are topics where the audience is actively looking for answers, solutions, or services, and they're often closer to making a decision. Strong examples include finance, technology, insurance, and legal content. These categories tend to perform well because they attract users who are researching important purchases, comparing providers, or trying to solve urgent problems. When choosing your angle, stay specific. A narrow niche is usually easier to rank in and easier to grow because your content feels more relevant to the audience. Next, if you're building a website, optimize your ad placements above the fold and use responsive ad units. Above the fold simply means the area people see before they start scrolling. This space is valuable because it gets immediate attention, but it should still feel clean and user-friendly. You never want ads to overwhelm the content or create a bad experience. Responsive ad units are important because they automatically adjust to different screen sizes, which helps your layout work well on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Since a huge percentage of traffic comes from mobile, this step makes a major difference. If you're building a YouTube channel instead, the equivalent principle is to make your content easy to engage with right away. Your title, thumbnail, and opening moments should clearly match the viewer's intent so people stay and watch. Finally, consistency is what drives scale. You need to publish original, SEO-optimized content on a regular basis to build toward 100,000 or more organic visitors or views each month. Original content is essential because it builds trust and performs better over time. SEO optimization means using the language your target audience is actually searching for, organizing your content clearly, and making each piece useful enough to earn visibility